じゃあ、じゃあ、じゃあ、じゃん、じゃじゃん。あ、あ、actually, okay. You have a name and you want to find the person's number in a phone book. That's O-N. O-N? Okay. You have a name. Okay, that's O-log. Your phone number, you want to find the person's name in the phone book. You'll have to search through the book, whole book. That's a one. You want to read the numbers of every person in the book, phone book. Or you want to read the numbers of just the age. This is tricky one. It involves concepts that are covered more in chapter 4. I looked at the answer, it says ON. Let me see it one more time. Let me see it for one more time. One more time. Please, please, please. login on. Why, you might be thinking, wait, has are only is are only about 1/26 of the whole phone book. Shouldn't it be faster than reading the phone book? In real world years it takes less time, but bigger notation does not measure exactly time in seconds. It measures how this time scale as how the time scales as the input grows. If you double the size of a phone book, the number of people whose name starts with A also roughly doubles. The amount of work scales linearly with the size of the input. In bigger notation, we ignore constants on by 26 is simply on. If you run a SQL rakuten to get all users whose name start with A and you don't have a specific index set up, the database still has to perform an operation that scales linear with the total number of users. You need to know this so you don't accidentally freeze a database thinking it's only a fraction of the data. Please. The clock is ticking again. I must be giving you a report back. Okay. Sorry. Though. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Why sorry? Okay, the traveling salesperson. You might have read the last section and thought there's no way I'll ever run into an algorithm that takes n factorial time. Well, let me try to prove you wrong. Here's an example of algorithm with a really bad running time. This is a famous problem in computer science because its growth is appealing and some very smart people think it can be improved. It's called a traveling salesperson problem. Appealing, well, but not appealing. Appalling. Yeah, this is a famous problem in computer science because its growth is appalling and some very smart people think it can be improved. It's called the traveling salesperson problem. You have a salesperson. Damn, look at that. The salesperson has to go to 5 cities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The salesperson whom I'll call Ubers wants to hit all 5 cities while traveling the minimum distance. Here's one way to do that. Look at every possible order in which he could travel to the cities. 120 miles. That's short. Boom. That's 103. 133. Okay, he adds up the total distance and then picks the path with the lowest distance. There are 120 permutations with 5 cities, so it will take 120 operations to solve the problem for 5 cities. For 6 cities, it will take 720 operations. There are 720 permutations. For 7 cities, it will take 5,040 operations. 6, 7 twice. The number of operations increases drastically. 15 cities, these many, damn. 30 cities. In general, for n items, it will take n factorial operations to compute the results. So this is O n factorial time or factorial times. It takes a lot of operations for everything except the smallest numbers. Once you're dealing with 100 cities, it's impossible to calculate the answer in time. The sound will collapse first. This is a terrible algorithm. Opus should use a different one, right? But he cannot. He can't. This is one of the unsolved problems in computer science. There's no fast non-algorithm for it, and smart people think it's impossible to have a smart algorithm for this problem. The best we can do is come up with an approximate solution. See chapter 10 for more. One final note: if you are an advanced reader, check out binary search trees. There's a brief description of them in the last chapter. Okay. 55555. Anna. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Antonio Factorio. Okay, damn. Binary search is a lot faster than simple search. Binary search is a lot faster than simple search. O log n is faster than O n, but it gets a lot faster once the list of items you're searching through grows. Algorithm speed isn't measured in seconds. Algorithm speed isn't measured in seconds. Algorithm times are measured in terms of growth of an algorithm. Algorithm times are measured in terms of growth of an algorithm. Algorithm times are measured in terms of growth of an algorithm. Growth of an algorithm. Algorithm times are written in big notation. Okay, have you log in? Hi. Yeah, long time no see. Hisashi Budi. This in I was here. You just didn't visit. You just didn't come here. See. Sounds life going on. It's fine. It's fine. Having fun. Ija. It's Yama. What about you? Okay. Settings. Wrong answer accepted. Rate it out of 10. Mine would be 7. Yo, mine. It's fine. I don't know, 6.5. 6. Some days are better. That's all I can say. Please. Beef, please. Beef, please. Hi, a bitch. Sorry. This 2026 update of Earth sucks, man. Everyone's fighting. And bad thing about it is my snacks prices are going up because of that. Damn. What can you do? What can you do? Snacks. Are you a fat guy? We can question that. I don't remember it. Please. Oh, やったぜ。Nah, bro, actually I'm underweight. Last time I checked 2 months ago I am 55 kilos. locked in. Yorkshire here. Babies, ladies and gentlemen. Picture me like a nerd who wears glasses and an expression of a cat. In my DP, 24/7 around people. Yeah, picture me like a nerd who wears glasses and have expression of a cat in my DP 24/7 around people. Damn. Okay. Seven zero four. Oh, you also wear glasses. Damn. Everyone's going blind. Given an array of integers, no. Will I be able to complete this? Okay. You must write an algorithm with O, log, and runtime complexity. By the way, what's your new grandmother agenda? Haven't watched your new video. Ma, it's just I mean, it's just a plan for this month, like what I'll be doing every day. Yeah, it's just that, nothing more. Okay, this is my first lead code. Now, given an array of integers, I've done two before this. I'm given an array of integer nums, which is sorted in ascending order, and an integer target. It's already sorted. Ascending, descending, ascending. Okay, and integer target. Write a function to search target in nums. Then return its index, otherwise return -1. Okay, nums target is 9. Output 4. Isn't it the same? Isn't it same? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's the same. So target is 9. We're gonna have to. That's it. Okay. Like that. So we'll add const mid is going to be okay. I'm actually confused. What's your sleeping schedule? Is like you stream in a day and now streaming at night as well? I don't know. I don't know when do I sleep. I have no fixed schedule. I just sleep and wake up. Wait a minute. Const start. Yeah, nums Wait a minute. True freedom. It's not true freedom. Okay. Mama. Okay, but okay, low like that. I'm cheating already. Low and lat. I cannot use that. Low and then high is going to be nums dot length minus 1 cos I cannot say. Okay, low is 0. Actually, I'm gonna write I already have it over here. Ask employed people, man. They would die to get here. Stay freedom. Ma. Corporate people's lives. Yeah. I want to fix casual actually. Then let mid is going to be I'm striving to get employed, and then I'm gonna have a same kind of schedule. So we're gonna run until target until mid low mid bitch. That's it. I myself want to sleep schedule, fixed sleep schedule. Man, I'm so tired. I get so tired. Okay, until my low becomes equal to high, this thing is gonna run. And if, to be honest, my sleep schedule is but I like it because at night nobody disturbs you anymore. Bazaar se dahi nama. That's cool. I'm gonna have to round it up. What if it's lower? Actually, I've done this thing before. It was in the example. That's why. Every time I'll need to calculate the mid. I'm gonna put it inside the loop. What the? First condition I gotta check. If what? If target is lower or equal, if what are you trying to do? Explain to me as well. Easy words. And I'm just trying to solve problems here on lead code. You know, that's the problem, and I have to yeah, write code. So when I run this code, I basically fulfill this question's requirement. So it's just like Pahili, that's the Pahili, and I need to solve it. That's it. Please, please, please. These are the indexes. Index 0, index, okay, length -1. That's the mid index, and that mid index, I call it guess. Okay, and we're gonna set it to, actually it's going to go inside here, guess every time, and that guess is going norms norms mid, and if that guess, oh, it's like coding challenges. Yes, it's like coding challenges. So if the target is equal to guess, then just that means we can return that guess. Okay, if no, else if I'm gonna check if our target is smaller or equal to the guess. If like that's 9, you do half this, that's smaller, so that means low Lu. If it's smaller, then or lu becomes like this. You can guess. No, we need low is an index, so mid. Oh, it's quarter. Yes. Plus one, right? Plus one. And answer. A target is where to guess. Or we can just write else. I don't know. That's fine. What's high? High is we're gonna change. High becomes mid minus 1. If that is not true, if nothing works, then we just return minus 1 as things said, and that's it. Scratch an every time page. Okay, this loop is gonna go on and on until it satisfies this condition, and it's gonna return the guess. And yeah, and then we return, like, yeah, if it's gonna return guess answer, fine. If not, then minus 1. Hard math key. Please. Oh, what do you mean time limit exceeded? भैंस क्या है, मतलब क्या है इसका? What do you mean? What do you mean time limit exceeded? Okay. How do you know? How does this thing work? What's this? Ah. Note. What is that? Oh, shit, damn it. What do you mean by this? Time limit exceeded. What? What do you mean? I don't get it. I don't get it. Minus there. Oh, submit is that, run is that. Okay, sorry. बहन का लंड क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. Status, what actually means? Your code is too slow. It didn't finish within the allowed time. In interviews, you fail performance expectations. You got TIA. You likely write infinite ON or worse infinite loop. Can I see these constraints? One. Give me some hint. I've seen this question in the real interview. Huh? It's easy, you cannot even do that. Ran by research. Nums is sorted in asymptotic order. All the integers in nums are unique. Bitch. If target is if guess is not target, guess is bigger, guess is smaller. Yeah, まあね that's wrong.何これ何やろわた2 Oh, there is one wrong answer. Oh. Target is 2. It's returning -1. So that's okay. Target is 9. Output is -1. And expected is 4. 止まって。मूड क्या आता हूँ मैं Be back. Did I write your group again? You go in the gutter. You go in the gutter. 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 Ah, biscuits. Wow. How's it doing? Doing outside the door. Hey. stack and please don't. Okay, I'm gonna what an idle loop. Okay, it's gonna run until the low is lower than low is lower or equal to high. Man, then mid is gonna say that same math. We gonna floor it. Left floor gang. Low plus high by 2. Money. Okay, that is the reason. So ma. Okay, that was the mistake. I get it now. Okay, guess is going to be nums mid. Actually, it's actual thing. And if the guess is equal to the target, then we just return the guess. Else if we check if the guess is bigger than the target, then guess is higher. Guess is higher. That means no. Okay, high point moves to the mid. Okay, that mid and -1. We're not including the mid. Okay, so and else we don't have to write anything, any condition. Low becomes mid plus 1. Okay, like if the guess is lower than the target, guess is lower than the target, so like 5, that's our guess, then it becomes this plus 1. Okay, or lower becomes, lower is here and here, it's low, then this goes back and this is lower becomes plus 1 9. Money. Now this should do it. Buddy. Nande. Okay, output is 9, expected is 4. Okay, maybe this will If the guess is smaller than the target, please. हटे ना. Expected 4. Target is 9 and I'm getting 9. Oh, what the? Isn't it right?なんだよ。何やこれ。Okay, we just make it big. I'm gonna make my big. I'm gonna make it big. Guess where mid not nums mid. What? Guess equals mid, not get equal. Guess equals mid. No, it's wait, like mid. Guess equals mid. What's the point of having a guess then? Like mid is the index. Okay, that's the index that we get like this. Okay, that's the index. But now guess is the actual, like on that index, the thing that is there, the number is that's there. Bottom, so uncomment. Try it. Mama. Okay. I'll try your guess. Look at that. That's wrong. That's the question. That's the question, okay? Money. Okay, we are gonna return. Okay. The index. We want the index. I wrote it right. Okay. Get it. Yeah, of course. Hold up. Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Okay, that was our first lead code question. What's happening, by the way? Didn't you sleep? You gotta sleep. It was your first lead code problem? I mean, I have done 2 problems before this. You know, like sum of 2, and then there was one array, like I had to concat. Those were 2 questions that I did long ago. But this is like actual question. You didn't start it with the Evergreen 2 stuff. Yes, I did it. I did that too some. I did that too some, but it was like many months ago. I was working on my project and now we'll do some manga reading and sleep. Damn. I think start reading manga in Japanese. Now you have Mokuru as well. I mean Manhattan and all that. I needed to return this. Okay, I'll just have it. Submit. Mochiro. What's this? Oh, what's the meaning of this? 100% beats. 3.3% of solutions used 1 ms, 0 ms, 2 ms, milliseconds, 4 milliseconds. Solutions. Okay, binary. हटना मैंने नहीं देखना ये सब. हाँ मैं देख सकता हूँ बट मैं of course I'm reading in Japanese. Yeah, let's go. नहीं तो इतना ताम झाम करता क्या माना channel वो करो. I mean I have like you can download Manhattan on your phone too as well, but and the OCR is quite heavy on your like on phone, so it's gonna your phone is gonna heat up. Well, you can turn off the OCR, I guess. I have a different app which I use. They just you can submit the same solution multiple times and each time the bar will change a lot. Really? My phone sucks anyway. Yeah, don't use Manhattan then on your phone. I used Manhattan and mine was heating up, so I deleted it. I have an alternative though, which I like. It doesn't have the OCR. It's Aniomi. ANIYOMI. Okay, let's do one more. Easy. We go with easies. I don't use my phone except in college sometimes. If it don't have OCR, then we can't look up the meaning, right? Yeah, that's it. I mean OCR is gonna use your phone's processor, and it's if your phone cannot handle it, then and then you shouldn't use Manhattan. Like I have a decent phone, but still it was heating up. Well, fuck it, man. But now I can read like almost every kanji, I mean words, the normal ones. So it's fine for me. Who am I talking to? Nah, I better use my laptop instead. Yeah, you have a phone, a laptop. Yeah, that's good. I don't like touching my laptop is very slow, so fuck it. I use my phone. Okay. Okay, I'll see 35. We go with the 35. Search, insert position. Target is 5. Okay, given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index. I need to return the index. First, return the index. Return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Target is 5. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Target is 2. So 0, 1. Okay. Oh, I can. Same. I don't like using my phone cause yeah. Which phone do you have? Bro, you earn $600 every week? Buy an iPhone. I mean, you already have, I guess. Low one's gonna be high is going to be nums dot length -1 and then mid and guess. Maybe it'll do. I'm gonna have to change the conditions, I guess. So mid is going to be first math dot floor Lafaluse plus mid Janeo Chana EDS बटे 2 sorry. Oh, I can see your message. Wait a minute. Delete मारा अभी तो जरूर देखूंगा मैं. I can give you a hint. No. Please. No. Oh, I can see deleted messages. That's cool. Please, please, please. Please don't give me a hint. Guess is nums by Janeo mid cause you better solve it yourself. That's why I deleted. Yeah, let me solve it by myself. It's easy. I'm sure you can do this. It's very easy for you. Now, if the guess is equal to the target, then I'm gonna return the mid. I want the index, okay? And else if it's gonna have same code, but there is one extra case over here. If not, if not, okay, if guess is lower than the target, I only need to change that return here, the return, okay. If the mid no, I just soft low becomes mid plus 1, and else guess no, else is low Janeo high mid -1. ちょっと待った。はい、読解の時間だよ。じゃあね。はい、バイバイ。Have fun with your manga. Don't stick the pages. Stick. Don't make your pages. Okay. Last time it was that. Okay, now it's just return, but if it's not, okay, so if the guess is here, okay, we can have like a, okay, now if 2 okay, that's fine, but if the now here is 2, so here 2 comes half it. 2 is lower than 3. Okay, 2 is lower than 3. Can I have a pen? Okay, if you cannot see that. Now this is okay, so we are gonna do like low. If 2 is lower than my high, bitch, no, shut up, that's wrong. Okay, here the condition, so my guess is 3. Okay, I go by like this. Okay, first half, so 1 and 3, so 3 is the mid one. Okay, 3, if 3 is what? If guess is bigger than the target. Okay, my guess is 3. If it's bigger than the target. Okay. I go to that. Wait on page. Got some comment. Hi, Taiga-san. Ohayo. Ohayo gozaimasu. 早いじゃない早起きですね。If 2 is, if my guess is 3, then the high point becomes 3 minus 1, which is that. Which means my low and high becomes this. Come here. Okay. Mid is 3. 5, 6. 5, 6. ですね。ですね。まあ。Okay, I'm fogging. Okay, no. If my okay, let's go with this. Okay, if the guess is like my guess is 7 though, so my guess is going to be 3. My guess is low, mid plus 1, 5 to 6 as goes. It goes 5 to 6. Okay, 5 to 6. Boom 5 6 is my boom. Now again I'm gonna come. What's my mid now? So data構造と algorithm, they sound difficult. Yeah, it's a easy one. I just started today. Yesterday, I guess. I mean so 5 is it's lower. Go 6. Please. I cannot think. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, I need to That's 2. My guess is going to be 3. 3, which clearly is bigger. I mean, yeah, bigger than that. So my high becomes oh, what is the array is this? So okay, ma. Okay, ma. What is the array is like this? 7, 8. Okay. Now my target is going to be 5. Okay, get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. That's my 5. Let's call it 6. Let's give it 6. Okay, that's 5. 5 is my guess. 5 is my guess. Okay, 5 is not equal to the target, and it's going to be 6. Okay. 5 is my guess, and this is, that means it's low. We go here, it's low becomes this. So this here to here we had, now it becomes here. So this low becomes this. Now my low is 6, and high is 8. Now we again, okay. Okay, now my mid is 7, so it's going to be 7 is my guess, but that's, I get it. 7, my guess is 6. That's high. High is gonna make high minus 1. भैंस की टांग. So my, actually it's covered. Come on. Okay, my Modi. It's right. First is I got it first cut. Okay, then lower. It's going to be 7. Second case is 2. Let's give it like 4, man. I wanna do it 4. Okay, I'm gonna do it 4, and I'll have 8, like 8 for example. Okay, Now again we go again. Okay, so now this 5 is my guess. 5, but it's 4. 5 target is 4. Wait. It's 5 is high becomes this, so 3, so 1 3 is my next range. Okay, mid, no mid, isn't 1? What's going to be the mid? 1 is lower. One is lower, then it goes to 3. 1 is lower. Guess is lower than the target. Again, boom, I got 3. I don't want to do it, man. Write code, write something. Okay, mama, I can. Mama, if the condition is that, and if the we can have one more if I just if the guess is I don't know if it's right or wrong. If the guess no. It's a easy. It's a lead code easy. Calm down. It's your first day. Okay. What was it? I think I had it figured out. I forgot. Okay. If my low, Milo, what's that? Milo? If Milo is, yeah, that's wrong. I can do it, like. Let me just do it, man. If low Actually, ma. If it's Milo is bigger than the target. Yeah. I think that'll do it. Then I can just return. I can just return the low. And here I can do one more if, which is nums. If my nums high is high is lower than the target. Yeah. मैं चुप तो मत था. दो का ना. Ma. We just return the high. Please. Mane. I don't need any over here. Every case has a return. Please. Ax. Expected to. There is something. Ooh. Expected is 2. Let's just what you know. What about this one? Undefined. What's undefined? Just +1 do na. +1. Cause low is going to be this. This. Okay, but that's okay. It's going to be if it's low. If the guess is lower than the target, then it's going to be it's gonna go on the next index. So it's going to be +1. And if here is the same, if the guess is lower than, in the case of high, if the guess is lower than the target, then it's going to be +1. Please. Okay, one it's done. This one is I don't know. What's wrong with this? Undefined. How is it undefined, boy? It shouldn't be undefined. It's right. Yeah, actually it's going to be like that. That's wrong. Mama. Still undefined. I'm looking for 7. Okay, wait a minute. I'm looking for a 7. Why is it undefined? Mananda. 本ちゃん何なら Hi is why not just return the mid plus 1 boy that should be it 何よ Why is it undefined? まめIf num's high is going to be 6. Yeah. Are you Yeah, that's wrong. It can't be like, isn't it? Yo! That's the same condition. Shut up. That's wrong. Of course that's wrong. Let me do this for wow. अरे भैया मेरे को करना ही नहीं है रे मेरे को करना ही नहीं है नंदा 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 यो किस्सा ओ मामा ですね What if I like do that? Yasa Hasa Nana ですね Bakda Okay, if I need to write this condition, okay, now I'll say if the guess ちょっと待ってくださいね。まあ。if the guess is bigger than the target. Oh, why am I thinking like this? Bitch. Yuck. I can just add one more. La ni na 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 nani 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 nani. Yeah, why are you thinking like this? I can add one more. Yeah,やけどですねまあねelse if we can have like this else if the num's low yeah nani let me do this here oneちょっと待ってちょっとあんたなんだよこれ Okay, I was right, I guess. Over here, I was right. But this one. なんだこれなんだなんだかちょくそsorry. Okay, Oh, come on, man. Output is 3. Expected 2. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's definitely wrong. I know it. And if I can write like one more, let's do something. So undefined is being written. Okay, undefined because we are not finding it. That's why it's undefined. So if the norms, okay, if the norms high, it should be like this. If the high is, even the high is lower than our target, then we just return high plus 1. That should be it. That should do it. That should do it. I Nanda my man. That's nah. My man, cannot do this. Okay, it's enough. Yeah, I cannot cheat. Think more. Okay, let's stop thinking about this one. Maybe it's covered. We got it. Okay, we go to this. It's still undefined, which is pretty weird. Oh, that's simple. That is simple. If you are not finding something, that's it. Yeah. I did it. Mama. I did it, Taiga-san, I did it. My second question. Let's submit it. Yes! Bitch. On the show. Cut the way. I solved it. Nankasa. 頭痛いんだよ頭。Oh, you cannot copy? なんだよ。Oh, you can, you cannot copy. Yeah, that was cool. I already have a headache. Let's look at other people's solutions. So, you want money? I ain't got no money. I don't have any money. Taiga-san. With two lead codes. I already have a headache. Mama. What's this? What kind of solution is this? What? साले तेरा गंदा solution देखूंगा मैं. Oh my lord. I'm going crazy. Okay, we did 2 lead codes, so let's call it a day. Now I'm gonna read. I'm gonna start a new stream. I'ma read. Remember, I need to. Please don't make it hard. It's already. I get that. Mami. soft till you got questions today. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna start a new stream. Tiger song. Be back. I'm gonna start a new stream. Bye bye.